Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Telegram from automatically downloading media files when you're using mobile data on your Android device. This simple setting can help you save data and take control over what gets downloaded. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, select Settings. Now, tap on Data and Storage. Under the section titled Automatic Media Download, turn off using mobile data. After that, Telegram will now stop downloading media while you're on mobile data. And that's it. You've now successfully turned off auto-download for mobile data in Telegram. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.